What's up? You're tuned into All Def Music News, and I'm Kat Pasion. This morning I was really excited because I love music videos, and Gucci and Nicki Minaj finally dropped their visuals for Make Love. Last month, Gucci had tweeted he'd be dropping the hardest song of the year. After the song dropped, fans were speculating that Nicki's verse were actually shots to Remy Ma due to their back and forth rap beef.
I took 2 bars off just to laugh. You see, silly rabbit, to be the queen of rap, you gotta sell records, you gotta get plaques. S, plural like the S on my chest.
The Make Love music video is essentially a performance video. We see Nicki Minaj coming off her private jet and reciting her verse on a gigantic unicorn pool floaty, where Gucci is driving around in his whips and chilling by his pool with a bunch of bad bitches. In other music news, the next big hip-hop biopic to look forward to is Master P's, which starts filming this summer. It's titled Ice Cream Man, King of the South, where it'll follow a young Percy Miller from 3rd Ward of New Orleans to his early days in the hip-hop group True before he became a multi-platinum rapper with his own label, No Limit Records. As far as new artists that are still on the rise, Xavier Omar, formerly known as Spazzy Rocket, has teamed up with Red Bull Sound Select to release a new track called Afraid, produced by The Business Boy. Known to create music centered around love, in this track, Xavier highlights his insecurities that hold him back from receiving his blessings.
You don't have to wait for me to feel I'm safe or that I'm ready this time. I want no one else, not to focus on myself. It's just, baby, I'm afraid. Woo.
I want to hear from you. I want to know what you thought about Nicki's verse on Make Love. Are you Team Nicki or are you Team Remy? Leave it in the comments below. For All Def Music News, I'm Kat Pasion.